remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Hello my beautiful people, how are you all doing this morning? You guys, I bought this here from Na.Style, and I want to unbox it with you and see. I'll give you my feedback on it. So I'd ordered, it's a Pixie Cut. I ordered it last week Monday and it came Thursday. So I was waiting until I am all alone. How do I do? Okay. And on the box it has the ear instructions, how to take care of the hair, everything like that, which I think is very good. Protect the wig from an oily appearance by keeping your own hair clean. Besides washing your own hair, you can also wear a wig cap. All right, so let's go in and see what they send me in this box. I'll leave in the description down below where I got it, the seller's information, and yeah. So this is the hair. Dear customer, thank you for your support and trust. This is hair care method, so they also included in there the hair care method, which is good. Have lashes, which I don't wear, so I don't know. Oh, this is cool. I got a piece of elastic band that I can use to, and I get a set of wig cap. Oh, 2 pieces. This is great. So a lot of persons might don't know that I do have an autoimmune disease that affects my scalp. So from time to time I wear hair covering and stuff like that just to give my hair a break. Okay, so it is a Pixie Cut, right? So this is it. It's a Pixie Cut lace front. Right? It's a Pixie Cut. What I like the way it feels, but with curly hair I can always manipulate them and make them how I want them, and I really want something short. Right? So guys, I'm gonna go ahead, and it has so many comb clips. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 comb clips. It has its usual strings that the normal wigs come with, and yeah. So let's see. I'm planning on going on the road today, so I'm gonna see how best I can install this. I'm not a professional, but I'm gonna try my best to install it to the best of my ability. I think I would have wanted a darker cap, but let me go ahead and put this on to see. Tell you the truth, it looks cute already and I haven't done anything to it. This cap, I don't think I like that cap. I think it's too bright. I'm gonna change it to a darker cap. So one thing I've learned about this hair, you can only wash it in cold water. It says wash only in cold water.
As you can see here, I am going in with my scissors to cut the lace into smaller sections. Then I'm going to go in with my eyebrow shaver to cut the lace away. Once it is cut to your liking and your satisfaction, I am going to go in with my Gots to Be glue and spray the perimeter of my forehead. Ensure that you allow the glue to be completely dry. After the glue has been dried, I went in with my Ghost Bond glue and apply a small amount to the sides of my head because I am not going to be gluing down the entire section of the wig, just the sides to keep it intact.
Is a bit 99. The glue is a bit dry, or 95% dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting down the wig. This is my hardest part ever to fit. So I'm gonna start with this side first. I'm not worried about this side because by the time you form that baby hair, this side looks like it could get a little, could go some more. I'm just gonna allow this upper side to dry some more.
I went in here again with my scissors to pare away some of the excess lace that was hanging there.
The sides have a tendency for me to just lift, and I don't like when the sides are lifting. It makes it too obvious that you're wearing a wig. Good. So now that my sides are done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spritz the hair with some water. The water allows it to become really free. I'm gonna go in with some Cantu leave-in conditioner, just a little. I've not added any elastic band to this here. I'm gonna wear it as is right now. And for me that the Cantu leave-in conditioner allows the hair to come alive and get really curly with my past wigs. I think this is gonna be my everyday wig. I'm doing this, it helps to give the hair a little bit of body, not so stuck down to your head. My Nairobi foaming lotion, just a little to keep it in place. I don't want it to look too stick down on my head and too fake. I want it to have some life to it. I'm gonna go in now and I'm gonna lay my edges. That's the reason why I didn't glue these areas, because they're not gonna show. So when I glue, lay my edges with my wet line extreme gel, then you'll see. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm not a fan of baby hair, but I like my hair to look good, so I'm just gonna add a little here. I'm gonna tie this with my scarf and just let it lay for a little bit, and also help the edges too. But before I do that, let me add some oil to the hair so it has a little sheen. If you're gonna flex it that way, then you know you have to go more with the gluing at the front or secure. The hair is so soft and nice. It feels good. And then I'll come back and show you when I'm done how it looks. So I'm gonna go in and tie it just like this. Mama do, man. So guys, I've taken off my my scarf and I went ahead and I doll up a little bit for you guys, and I'm really feeling this hair. I like it. Let me take you in for a close-up. I really like it. I'm really feeling this hair, feeling the hair, man. Ooh. Let me know what you think about it and how it turns out. Girls, I feel like a diva. I think it is really cute. cute. If I should rate this hair, I will give it a 10 out of 10. And I'll be definitely shopping from Na.Style again because I do love this piece. Guys, remember to leave your comment down below of what you think about it. And I'll leave in the description where I got it. I hope you're able to see. I absolutely love it. Guys, remember to like, share, leave a comment down below, tell your friends about my channel. And remember, on my channel I talk about a little of everything, but my main passion is food. Bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration.